If your goal is to make money from YouTube Shorts, you need to understand an important requirement. 1,000 subscribers, we all know, and 10 million valid public Shorts views within 90 days for the short-based YPP eligibility path. YPP means the YouTube Partner Program eligibility path, all right? But here's the problem. Simply uploading shorts every day doesn't guarantee that you reach 10 million views. All right. So in this video, we're gonna break it down how to upload shorts the right way to get your views, your subscribers, your watch time, and to make sure you get monetized. All right. So you need a strategy that helps your video spread. Number one, what are the strategies that you need to help your video spread? Stop relying on search. Stop relying only on search. Many creators make shorts answering questions people already search for. All right, such as how to monetize on YouTube. You know, you're going to click on the search bar and you're going to write all these things, so they bring you some generic videos, some mass produced videos. All right, another way you can say to search is how to gain subscribers. All right, how to edit shorts. These are kind of things people are already searching for, looking for. Now, these videos can be useful, but they often grow slowly. Yeah, because when you make videos of those nature, you see them often grow slowly. But you know, shorts is 90 days window. All right. So, and if your goal is millions of views in a short period, you need content with stronger viral potential. So what you're going to be creating on shorts are viral videos. All right. So number two hack is follow the trend. How to not get those viral videos? You need to follow the trend. Now look for topics people are already talking about. It could be a viral moment, right? It could be a viral movie. It could be a celebrity. It could be a sport. It could be a viral event. It could be breaking news. It could be trending songs or new technology. All right, this is what you need to look out for. All right, so but don't just copy that trend. All right, create your own niche. All right, create your own niche and make it into your own content. All right, make that content be part of your niche. For example, if you are a cooking channel kind of content creator, all right, you could make a recipe inspired by a trending movie. Well, let's say the movie was all about catering, food, a restaurant. You could make a trending movie inspired by that movie and put out the shot. All right, a finance channel, for instance, if you're a finance channel, right, you could explain how a major event affected people's money. All right, for instance, we have some issues in the Middle East and whatever in the West. You can also make a video how that issue, all right, if affected people's money, how this earthquake, how this gas surge affected people's money, finance, right? Now the trend attracts attention. Why your niche gives people a reason to follow you. So when you make a video, relating to that trend, all right, you're gonna attract the attention of people like, oh, look at this thing that happened the other day. All right, let's watch the video. All right, so this is what you need to do. So immediately, so with shorts, you don't have much time to convince someone to keep watching. It's just 3 minutes and below, so you don't have much time. All right, so you want to make viral trends or viral videos on that. All right, so don't start with, when you're doing your shorts, right, don't start with hello guys, welcome back to my channel. All these generic ways of doing this. You want a stronger hook. Start with something that creates curiosity. I've been saying this about curiosity. All right, for example, for example, let me give you a sentence or a phrase, all right, or a hook that could make you gain attention, all right, in a short span video. You are probably making this YouTube mistake right now, so everybody want to see that mistake you're probably making. All right, or you can say this new YouTube update could change everything for small creators. You understand right now? So get straight to the point. All right, get straight to the point. All right, so number four you want to do now is focus on retention. All right, I've been saying this. You can watch my last video for when I talk more about retention. Now, getting someone to stop scrolling isn't enough. All right, yes, you've gotten the hook. You've made me stop to scroll. So how do I watch your shorts all through? So you need them to keep watching. All right, you need them to keep watching. Keep your videos moving. All right, use captions, visual changes, all right, curiosity and shots, all right, clear sentences. All right, these are the things you want to incorporate to your shots. Captions, visual changes, curiosity, clear shots, clear sentences. All right, don't give viewers a reason to swipe away. All right, so what is the number five hack right now? Repeat what works. I've been saying this. You can create and create over and over again around one video that has worked. All right, so when one shot, for instance, performs well, don't immediately move to a completely different topic. All right, If you've watched your analytics, I'm going to make a broader video about YouTube analytics. All right, you want to watch that. So create more content around that successful video, around that successful idea that gave birth to that video. So if a video about, for instance, YouTube monetization performs well, create a follow-up. All right, let's say the first video was the update about the YouTube monetization. Then the part 2 could be who qualifies for that YouTube monetization. The part 3 could be common mistakes people make not to get monetized. The part 4 could be what creators should do to get monetized. Now you can see you've created 4 different videos, shorts around one successful video. So one successful topic can become multiple shorts. That way you need to go know. One successful video can become multiple shorts. So number 6, now I told you to wait. I'm going to talk about analytics now. Go to your YouTube studio and identify your best performing shorts. Do not joke with your analytics on YouTube. If you've not downloaded YouTube, you need to go download YouTube Studio. All right. Ask yourself, what topic did I use? What was my hook? How long was the video? All right. Where did my viewers stop watching? The analytics, which will highlight all this for you, as you can see in the video. All right, as you can see right now on the screen. All right, so use those lessons in your next video. Analyze your analytics. You can see my viral video there. You can see the analytics. All right, so and remember, the 10 million short views target is based on a rolling 90 days period. So consistency is important because you need to get your 10 million views in 90 days. All right, so you don't need every video to go viral. You need to keep testing, learning, and improving. That's where all your video will meet up. All right, so remember this formula. All right, it's very important. Remember this formula. So I'm going to tell you now is very important. Trend plus your niche. A trending topic the world has been talking about, your community is talking about, incorporate it into your niche. Strong hook. Add a strong hook. Add your retention. Consistency equals to more opportunities for viral views. You want to keep posting every day if you can, every week. All right. So this is what we're talking about. All right. So this strategy gives your short a much better chance of reaching new audience. You want to keep reaching new audience per post. You want to keep reaching new audience per upload. All right. So if this video helps you, all right, subscribe for more YouTube growth and monetization tips. All right. And comment 10 million if you're working towards 10 million short views. Comment 4,000 if you're working towards 4,000 watch hours. Comment 1,000 if you're working towards getting your first 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go.